In this video, we will show you how to create an agronomic report. Go to the Tools icon, open the Agronomic Report Hub. Here you can find all agronomic reports from your Operations Center. Basically, you can get a report for any application which has been done on your farm. To create an agronomic report, select the report you want to create. In our example, we want to get a report of applications. Now select the crop season year you want to see. Here you can change dates to select a certain time frame from which you want to create the report and see the agronomic data. Select all fields or just a specific field that you are interested in. Finally, you can choose if your report should include all products you ever used on this field or just one specific one. Now click on Update Report, and the report with your selected items will be displayed. In this example, it shows how many liters of which chemical has been applied in the selected time frame. You can print or download the report in a CSV format for further documentation or invoices.